The Open Meetings Law requires that members of public bodies meet in person. Following the COVID-19 public health emergency, however, the legislature enacted an exception to the Open Meetings Law to allow public bodies to conduct meetings by telephone or video conference in certain circumstances. Revised Statute 4217.1 authorizes a public body to conduct its meetings by telephone or video conference provided all three of the following occur. First, the governor has declared a state of emergency or disaster, and with the nature of the emergency or disaster may be detrimental to the health, safety, or welfare of the public if an ordinary in-person meeting were held. Second, the presiding officer of the public body certifies on the notice of the meeting that the agenda is limited to one or more of the following items: a matter directly related to the public body's response to the disaster or emergency and which is critical to the health, safety, or welfare of the public; a matter that, if they are delayed, will cause curtailment of vital public services or severe economic dislocation and hardship; a matter that is critical to continuation of the business of the public body and that is not able to be postponed due to a legal requirement or other deadline. Other matters that do not meet the first three criteria but that the presiding officer determines are critical or time sensitive. Please note, 2/3 of the members present must vote to consider these other critical or time sensitive matters before they can be taken up at the meeting. Third, the public body must comply with special notice and public participation requirements in addition to the regular Open Meetings Law notice requirements. These special requirements are: no later than 24 hours prior to the meeting, the notice and agenda for the meeting shall be posted on the public body's website, emailed to any member of the public or to the news media who requests notice of meetings, and distributed to every known news media outlet that broadcasts or publishes news within the geographic jurisdiction of the public body. The notice must contain detailed information regarding how members of the public may participate in the meeting and submit comments regarding matters on the agenda. A sample of the certification language that must be included with the notice that meets RS 4217.1 requirements can be found on the LLA's website in the Open Meetings Law FAQ. To ensure the public's right to participate in telephone or video conference meetings, the public body shall 1. Provide a mechanism to receive public comment electronically both prior to and during the meeting. 2. Properly identify and acknowledge all public comments during the meeting. And 3. Maintain those comments in its record of the meeting. Additionally, the presiding officer is charged with ensuring 1. That each person participating in the meeting is properly identified, and 2. That all parts of the meeting, excluding any matter discussed in executive session, are clear and audible to all participants in the meeting, including the public. Learn more by visiting the legal FAQs at the Legislative Auditor's website at lla.la.gov. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for legal counsel. Please consult with your attorney before making any decisions.